Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com. This video is about the last week's trades as a weekly recap. So let's get started here. This is it's a very slow week. It's December holiday season, right? So everybody's gone. Smart money is gone from the market. Big boys are on vacation, holidays, right? So volume is thin, and that's why. So fewer trades, small trades, but yeah, enough though. So on this is pound yen 20-minute chart. This 5th December for 85 pip. It's a nice long here. So a lot of people say that why did I take this one or that one? So this trade was taken, but what happened when it moves a little bit, 25, 30, 40 pip, I come and sit on a break even just like here, right? So when it comes back, it takes me out. So I'm out at break even, no loss, no gain, no hassle, right? So waste of time showing that. But this one, since it went up, at least I have to have 50 people or more before I close the trade or record the chart. If not, then I'm sitting on a break even. The price comes back, even 40, 45. Okay, no problem. It comes back and it hits my SL. Thank you very much. Bye bye. So this is how it is. The 85 pip here, and this one is 90 pip. It's pound yen. Again, this one I just showed you, and then the second one is right there. Right. So this one, the first one, then the second one after. Retracing was here somewhere, right? So both were on a different page. Okay, so anyway, so this is 90 pip here on the 6th, the different account I was going to say. All right, so on this one, Euro Aussie sell order here, exactly the same thing happened here because it's December. There's a lot of wobbling is going to happen. We will have a setup, and then it will go in our way, then comes back and hit the SL. Then again, the setup is there. So several entries before you can have a good trade. So there was an entry here, but gone, and then after a little while, another entry, 75 pip. That one went down all the way. And this one here, this first entry after that becoming bullish, and this is how 60 pip here, and that's about it. I mean, these are like 6-7 trades. That's all I have this week. And this is the characteristic of December. What can we say, right? What can we do? Volume is not there. The trades are coming less and less. Next week is probably going to be even worse than this, right? But this is how it is. Be careful when you are trading this week, next week. Christmas coming very fast, so volume is thin. Let me show you a very good setup. At least I want to give you guys one setup, which is this. This is a EUR-USD, beautiful trend line here, and see the price. I had a chart when I said that watch out for the bounce from 9600, and which we did. This is 95.93. So we bounced and we went straight up to the TL. My target was 606.35, 06.35, but before that, even we hit the TL. We kind of like posting a doji here, right? So the chance is still there, but very less, okay, because the TL is going to hold. Otherwise, I would probably be going to the 06.35. But now I think it's going to drop from there. And another reason that I'm thinking that it's going to drop is the US dollar index chart, which is my 80-minute chart, is this. So this like Elliott wave count, this is the big black count, 1, 2, and then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 3. And then it's supposed to go wave 4 into this territory, right? So if we can stay above 1247 and go to the upside, that the USD is going to get strong, and these things will happen. So these pairs will go down, including Euro USD, Pound USD, all that. So Euro USD, that's why I'm saying that since it is also giving you a perfect short setup, then it will drop very easily. Another thing that might help this thing to go down is Euro index. Let me show you. Let me go there fast, and I'll show you the Euro index is how the index is sitting, and it's about to drop. So see, this is what it is. I was expecting a drop from here, but it went up a little bit more. And where did it go? Here, right? But now we are back here, and it's a nice long drive, right? So I have a very good feeling that we're gonna drop from here, from the top, at least back to here somewhere, and that will make the euro index or euro currency weaker. So if that gets weaker, USD gets strong, euro USD will go down. So be ready for that. And there are a lot of other setups which I'm making the chart, and then I'm going to send out to my subscribers. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.